Hiya guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's mukbang is Faye prawn and mussels. Okay guys, yeah. Excuse my glasses, I just came in from outside, hanging up my washing, because it's a lovely day out today. Behind me is a lovely day. Sun, the breeze, you get the both thing, and it's good for washing. So I was outside hanging up my washing, guys. So now my glasses are fogging up a little bit down here, just how hot it was when I was running around trying to do my... Anyway guys, so I woke up, I got my husband to half shower these mussels, right? Look, before he went off to work, and I asked him, shh, got my foot spot, I said, can you do half shower my mussels please? And that's what he done for me, so that was awesome of him. And then I half cooked it, then I put the prawns on top, the already cooked prawns, and I poured the coconut cream that I made. I put everything together in a bowl to make my Faye, is it Faye prawns? Yeah. And then I poured it over and I cooked the rest of the mussel together. Anyway, getting back to yeah, so that's what I done. Then I thought I got nothing to eat it with, because you know us fobs, islanders, we like something to eat our food with, right? So I thought, okay, it's not going to be rice, because it doesn't go hand in hand. So I made me some fried bread. Yep, doesn't take long guys, so if you ever want to make it, and I put butter in it already, and look how they're not as hard as my first video. Go and watch my fried bread video that I made. I attempted to make it, and I did make it, and you should have seen how hard they were. They were like cardboard. You can build your house with those fried breads, but I got better. I thought I better. Anyway, okay, I didn't bring a knife or anything to shell these, but I know they said you can use the shell, right? So here guys, you take the first green lip mussel, New Zealand mussels. They're the best mussels, New Zealand mussels. Oh. You know what guys? I made sure that I made the coconut cream really nice. I sure did. Sometimes you get the little one. Yeah. Anyway, I put a little bit of the cooked sauce in there. Wow. So what I done, I got the oh look guys, I hurt my finger. No, it was my nail. I was too busy trying to get the pots out. You know how we have humongous sized pots? Yeah, well, I was trying to move the humongous sized pot. It tore my nail, and it wasn't even a fake nail, it was my nail. And I don't even hardly have any nails, so anyway, so if you see my band-aid on my food, don't worry guys, it's my own germs. Not that I have any. Who said that? Who? Nay. Okay, back to what I was doing before I rudely interrupted myself. Okay. Ta-da! Yeah. Then I dip it into my sauce. It's coconut cream, guys. Oh, and my drink today is cordial. Cheers, guys. So what I done, I got a red cordial, I got an orange cordial. I'm not a fan of orange cordial, but I do like orange cordial, but I'm not a fan. I prefer red cordial. So I thought, nah, I'm going to half it. So I half both bottles. And now the flavour is just... Guys, sometimes you get that little crab inside it. And I dare you. Yeah. Well, I know that was his home, you know. Oh, okay. Sometimes you get that corner part of the fried bread. I dip it in here. My kids are slowly waking up. Guys, this is good. Right. With a bit. So, look at that coconut cream on that. And this is a mussel. They're not really fat mussels. They're quite skinny, like on a diet. And look at the coconut sauce on the shell. This is good. Anyway, I'll tell you how I put my sauce together. Okay? Are you just paying attention? Alright, wait. Now, I got a bowl, right? And I emptied out you know what? I will cook it and then I'll show you guys, okay? So that'll be another video. So if you want to know how I made it, you stay tuned. Wait, there's so much beautiful sauce here, look. Do you get that? Hopefully. Anyway, so you can use this. I've never done it before. Oh, I should have came the other way. Yeah, so I've seen some people on YouTube do this. Yeah, how I mixed my sauce is how I just thought about it today. Did you see that bit spicy as I was talking? I thought, I want to make it really tasty. So that's what I started adding this, adding that. And it came out. Ooh, I should make me a mussel fried bread. Mussel fried bread, guys. See? It's lovely. A bit messy. Is it clean? And there's my scooper. Yeah. My fried bread. Look. Anyway. Yeah, so I have cooked the mussel first before I put the prawns in. And then after that, put the prawns on, pour on your sauce, And then you just cook it on like low in the oven, just to, you know, warm it up and cook the mussel down the bottom a bit better. If you like half cooked mussels, you don't have to cook it right through. You just want to, anyway. So, oh well, you know what I've done? Okay, never mind. Wait. Oh, I saw this guy how he opened up his prawn. It was pretty fast, so I'll do it after this one. Okay, you know why I'm peeling this? Because I want to put it in my fried bread and have a prawn. Yeah, take a bite. Prawn fried bread. Okay. You can enjoy this any way you want. What do you guys got to eat there? Oh, don't be distracted by my earrings. I just put it on for the recording, that's all. Then I'm going to take it off. Good idea, good idea. Anyway, I'm going to show you how I saw this man oka. Why am I? Hey! How ni malashi me. I'll show you how that guy did it. Hang on, wait. This is what he done. He put all the legs off first. There we are. Ta-ra! Ta-ra! It seems so dark here. I hope the video's not too dark. Okay. Then you dip it in here. Then you open this up. Then you put it in here. Look. It's a messy one today. Messy. You know what? Add a mussel. Mussel and prawn. Messy. Yeah, so don't forget, get the cordial mixer together in the bottle. Mix in the cordial and the red cordial. Orange cordial, red cordial. Then you shake it up. And then you leave it. So whoever wants a drink can come. And then it becomes a Jaffa flavour. It almost tastes sort of like Fanta. Without the fizz. So, you suck out all the juice of the water. I mean, of the water. There you go. And look, Bob's your auntie. Ta-ra! Hang on. Oka. Wa whaio le mea. Wa whaio le mea. I think you have to bite closer to the body, eh? Not just bite off the legs. Okay, guys. Here we go. Yeah, I know I want to put in my fried bread. My mum's gone for her excursion. It's so good. I didn't think it was going to be this good. Now I can go and lie down and sleep after this. I've got too much to do. Every race of kids eating certain stuff, they grow up craving it. This Jaffa flavoured cordial is This one's only a little minty one. Anyway guys, if you're on Facebook, I have a Facebook page now. I have an Instagram as well, but I tell you what, I go and upload my Instagram with my food, when my daughters help me. Yeah, I'm going to old school again. Old school where they loa whaile mea. They loa whaile internet. Man, I hope I'm getting it on the paper, not on my tablecloth. Doesn't help with this finger being injured. This one, this naughty one. Yeah. Oh, I tried biting it closer to the body, but no. Oh yeah, just about to say something mean about you, and you came out. Out. Okay. Oh, did I eat the other fry bread? That was fast. You know what? I love prawns though. I love prawns. I love power, kina, prawns. That's how I love. When I used to live in Wellington, we used to eat a lot of power. And I used to be the one that, my mum would tell me to fry it when she's too busy. And back then I was about, what, 11, 12. And I tell you, when you're frying it, it spits at you like. And back then, in the 70s, you fried your stuff, that's when oil wasn't invented, I don't think, because we never had any oil. We only used like dripping, you know, lard. And it spits at you, yeah? Spit, spit, spit. If you're not careful, it's dodgy. Yeah, I was like, my cousin, they were two trying to dodge the spit of the oil. Guys, if you mangao, it's manais. No, I bought me a dipping sauce, dip, and I don't even need it. I can just dip it all over here. Pour it all over here. Yeah, nga. Laso nga ikualo wale ko yesime. Ooh la la. Yeah, guys. That's for you. This is lovely, lovely, lovely. Yeah, I buttered my fried bread, because it goes with butter, guys. This is not anchor butter. but it's mainland butter. And mainland butter is from New Zealand. Guys, in case you don't know that and you live in Australia, mainland butter is a New Zealand product, so go support. Fibre is good. And my son, when I made it last time, when it was hot, he went, opened it up and put Nutella in it. And he ate. I can tell he was enjoying it because he ate most of it. Like the fried bread. After this, I'm going to take my daughter to, what happened? To his doctor. They were in their room and they were standing on their bed and she was looking next door at the neighbours, right? And guess what? Savannah went and popped the bum back and she went flying on the ground. Geneva did. And now she's injured. Her aunt's injured. See, this is why I say to them, don't play in the house. You get injured. But Geneva thinks it's not true. So now, I go, what? Huh? You know how the Islander parents, when you get injured and you go running to them, go, yeah, Zoe, like, come here, I'm not gonna fix you up. Come here, I'm gonna fix you up. Like I told you the story about my hand. When I didn't listen to my mum and the plastic bag melted on it, I ran to her for help. She turned around and she was looking for rocks to throw at me. This is in Samoa, guys. Yeah, way back. I was only about 5, 6. She was gonna throw, but lucky, she just didn't know there was an Olympic runner right there in front of her. So when she started looking for the rocks, the stones, I was out of there. I ran for my dear life. But lucky I met up with my grandma's sister, who I consider my grandma. And that's Millie. Yep. Yeah. So my grandma put me back in, good order because she loved me. She didn't want to throw little stones at me. My mama been there. Very hard lady when she was raising us. Very hard. And my dad, softy, opposite. Oh, I saw on Facebook my auntie's and her husband's bakery. My auntie, she is my grandma Millie's daughter. Her name is Galangi Sanato. They got a bakery now where they live in America. And I'll tell you what, they really, really deserve it. They've tried so hard to try and make things work with their business, But see, you know that God always sees the person's struggle, the person's really, really hard efforts, And I tell you what, it might have taken her and her husband, a long time, but it's growing, really, really growing. They make lovely food. So guys, go and see the Sanato bakery. Yeah, and that's my auntie. Look this guy. Look at him. I've got a million things happening today. And the thing is, it all had to happen today. Because I've got to take my daughter, because she reckons her arm's broken. But when Savannah did that to her, she landed, right? And then when she got up, she walked away. She was crying, but walked away. But her arm was, and then after that, it's, ow, yeah. So I don't know, I will take a doctor for the x-ray. Yeah, hey guys. So if you're on Facebook, go and look up Nato family, and if you stay near where they stay, get you some nice food from them. My uncle makes really nice kekpoa, keke moi. Oh yes, and they got into the pies too, the hot pies, you know, and the New Zealand version. Oh my gosh, I never, I should have a bucket down here. Anyway, and they do the pies, the New Zealand pies, and the New Zealand donuts. Oh, you know what? You know my auntie, the one that I call her my favourite auntie, she's a good cook too, you know? Can you imagine if them two got together? They cooked, oh my gosh. Anyway, never mind. But anyway, go and look up their Facebook page, and if you live nearby, holler at them and go and buy some stuff from them, because I could just look at the picture and tell how beautiful it is, their food. Anyway, guys, I've got some shout outs, right? Shout out time. Okay, my first one is Levi Joseph. So hello, Levi Joseph, and I want to shout out Leausa, the Leausa family. Their channel is Leausa Vlogs. I would say vlogs. It's Leausa Vlogs, guys. Go and subscribe to them and say hello if you got the time to pop by and show support. And I've also got this really long name, right? It must be some names put together, okay, guys? But this is what it is. Sefata, oh my gosh! You know, I should have practiced before I got on to give the shout out. Sefa atau manga utuau fonoti. Hey, do I know these people? I think I do. Do I know you? Utuau fonoti. That's my uncle's name. Anyway, so, and then Coco and Jumbo Squad, hello. And then I want to shout out Asia, how are you? And then, guys, Life of Lofa, please stop by and, show her some support as well. She's got a beautiful voice, and her sister, when they sing, I love it. I love watching them. Oh, that's Fanny's sister, by the way. If you don't know, Fanny Vlogs, stop by and check him out as well. He's got good videos happening on his side of the world, and that's Brisbane, guys. So, last night, New South Wales and Brisbane had a game, State of Origin, and I heard that New South Wales won. Okay, anyway, don't mean to brag. Okay, guys, you guys take care, okay? And I've gotta go. I would love to sit here and finish the rest, but I've gotta go. My daughter's waiting. Hopefully she's already ready and waiting, but I gotta change this off because I just put coconut cream all over it. Yeah, loa. Alofa to each other, wailua. Alofa to each other, and always praise God for everything that we have, like our mussels, prawns, drinks, wipes, fried bread, me. Oi. Oh, got carried away then. Thank you so much, guys. You take care. God bless.